In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Cname record in Bluehost. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to enter so a subdomain like www or app points to the right service. A quick refresher first. A Cname or canonical name lets one hostname point to another hostname. It's perfect when a provider gives you a target like service.example.net and asks you to aim your subdomain at it. Start by signing into your Bluehost account and heading to the My Account home. From there, open the Domains section. This is where all of your registered domains live, and it's where you'll manage DNS settings. Pick the domain you want to update, then open its DNS area. In Bluehost, this may be labeled DNS or DNS Zone Editor, and it shows all existing records for that domain. Next, choose Add Record. When prompted, select Single Record. That creates one new entry rather than importing or editing in bulk. You'll see a record type selector that often defaults to A. Open that menu and switch it to Cname. This tells Bluehost you're creating an alias that points to another host name instead of an IP address. Look for the Refers to option and choose Other Host. That ensures you'll be able to enter the target host name provided by your email service, CDN, website builder, or whatever tool you're integrating. Now, fill in the host name field. This is the subdomain you're creating, such as www, blog, or login. Keep it simple. Don't add the full domain here, just the host portion. In the alias or points to field, paste the exact host name your provider gave you. Be careful not to include HTTP, TP, HTTPs, or any slashes. Name targets are host names only. Some services include a trailing dot. If you see one, it's generally safe to remove it, but the record will typically work either way. Set the TTL or time to live. The default value is fine for most setups. If you're actively testing and want faster updates, you can choose a shorter TTL, but leaving the default helps reduce unnecessary DNS lookups. When everything looks correct, click Add to save the record. DNS changes aren't instant, so give it some time to propagate. It may update in minutes, but full global propagation can take up to 24 hours. A quick tip, you can't have a Cname and an A or Carpilli array record on the exact same host, so if one exists already, resolve that conflict before expecting the Cname to work. Also, don't try to make the root of your domain a Cname. Use a subdomain like W instead. That's it, your new Cname is in place and will take effect as it propagates.